What's up, guys? Dave with Fixing for Fun, and tonight we're working on my new four-wheeler. Well, it's not really new, but it's new to me. It's a 2003 Polaris Magnum 330. So the little backstory on this, it was an old man's. He bought it new, the story goes, and he used it around his house, and he wound up passing away, and his wife was selling it. So it was sitting about 4 years, and a friend of mine found it, and we went over, crawled into a collapsed carport, and we pulled the airbox cover off, put a jump pack on it, and we got hit with some ether, and it cranked and popped. We got it out in the yard, got it in the back of the truck, paid the woman, off we went. We brought it home, pulled the carburetor apart. It was filthy, and then wound up, it would run, but it wouldn't run right. It wouldn't rev. It was dumping gas. Something's not right with the carburetor. But luckily, as I was looking for rebuild kits online, I realized that for $41, brand new from Amazon. Now, I am well aware this is not a Mikuni. I am well aware of that. But for $41, I don't have to play with it. It should just bolt right on and run like it should. So let's find out if it does. Just like that, the carburetor's out. Now let's do a side-by-side comparison. So they look pretty darn close. The only difference that I see is the idle adjustment. But let's pop this one in, see how it does. We got to swap out the choke cable too. Contact.
Well, I'd say that fixes it. Let's get all these covers back on.
Let's try out the four-wheel drive. Well guys, that's a wrap on the old Polaris. If you liked the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.